Look at you. The shit-eating shitbirds of Orlando. You filthy fucking wannabe mammals. You guys are disgusting. Polluting up that lake with all your shit and piss. Fucking disgusting. Look at that. Eating the shit off your own back, you filthy fucking animal. You're disgusting. All you do is just sit there all day and just suck your own cock and look like a fucking asshole. Stupid fucking birds. Probably fuck each other up the ass all the time. Two faggot fucking birds just sitting there fucking each other up the ass, shitting and coming on a lake. Oh yeah, look how fucking cool you are, showing off, fucking hopping around on one leg like a fucking asshole. You're disgusting.